Good day, Miss Annalyn. I am Sebastian Joaquin Timog Sumbol from grade 7, St. Bartholomew. Today, I will recite the poem, If I Were a Voice. If I were a voice, or a persuasive voice that could travel the wide world through, I'll fly on the beam in the morning light and speak to men with a gentle might and tell them to be true. I'll fly over land and sea. Whenever a human heart might be, telling a tale or singing a song in praise of the right, in blame of the wrong. If I were a voice, an unsoiling voice, I'd fly on the wings of air. The homes of sorrow and guilt I'd seek, and calm and truthful words I speak to save them from despair. I'd fly over the crowded town and drop like the happy sunlight down into the hearts of suffering men and teach them to rejoice again. If I were a voice, a convincing voice, I traveled with the wind, and whenever I saw the nation's town, by wiper jealousy or scorn. If I were a voice, a convincing voice, I travel with the wind, and whenever I saw the nation's town, by warfare, jealousy, or scum, or hundred of their kind. I'd fly on the thunder crash, and into blinded brooms flash, and all their evil thoughts subdued. I teach them Christian brotherhood. If I were a voice, a pervading voice, I'd seek the kings of earth. I'll find them alone on their beds at night, and whisper words that should guide them right. Lessons from priceless worth. I fly more swift than the swiftest bird, and will them things they never heard. Truths which the ages for I repeat, unknown to the salesman at their feet. If I were a voice, an immortal voice, I'll speak in the people's ear. And whenever they share liberty, without deserving to the free, I'll make their air clear. I fly on the wings of day. Everything wrong on my worldwide way, and making the earth rejoice. If I were a voice, an immortal voice. Again, I am Sebastian Joaquin Timog Sumbol, and I recited If I Were a Voice. Thank you.